home kitchen. Today I am going to make Begun Posto, Brinjal curry with poppy seeds. This Bengali recipe is very easy to prepare as well as tasty. So try this at home and let me know in the comment section. And if you like my recipes, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. We need brinjal 5 to 6 pieces, poppy seeds 3 to 4 tablespoons soaked in water, green chilli 6 to 7 pieces, mustard oil as required, cumin seeds half teaspoon, salt as per taste, sugar 1/4 teaspoon, this is optional, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Now in a mixing bowl take some water and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little bit of salt. Then give it a good mix. Keep it aside. Now cut all the brinjals and put into the turmeric water. You can cut the brinjals as I am showing or cut into small pieces or as you want. You can also use big size of brinjals. Then you have to take only 2 brinjals for this recipe. We keep the brinjals into turmeric water to cut off the bitterness. You can also skip this part. Now keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the water and you have to marinate the brinjals. For that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now marinate it well. It should be like this. Now take a grinder and add the poppy seeds and 3 to 4 green chilies and then make a smooth paste of these 2 ingredients. Now cut the rest of green chilies as you want or as I am showing. And then heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can add more or less. And now fry the brinjals. Cover and fry the brinjals on medium flame until it cooked for 90 to 95%. Flip and rotate in between and fry. The color turns into nice and golden brown from all the sides. Now the brinjals are fried well and cooked for 90 to 95%. So now take it out from the pan. Now in the same pan and same oil I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds. You can also change the pan and oil. Stir it for few seconds and then add the poppy seeds and green chili paste. Saute for a minute. And add a little bit of water to the grinder jar and then pour into the pan. Mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This is completely optional. Saute for a minute and add water to required consistency. After adding water, add salt to taste. Mix it well. And then on high flame or medium flame, boil the gravy for 2-3 minutes. Now add all the brinjals to the gravy. and try to mix with the gravy very gently as I am showing. Then add the green chilies. Now on high flame or medium flame, cover and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, mix it once again and add 1 tablespoon of oil. This is optional. Now turn off the flame and the begun posto or the brinjal curry with poppy seeds is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.